In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide with how to monitor Gmail automatically with Base44 Superagent. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that watches your inbox, drafts professional replies, and uses resend to send them hands-free once you're confident in the setup. First, open your browser and head to app.base44.com. Once you're in, look for the Superagents area. This is where Base44 centralizes its automation assistance. Click into Superagents, then choose the option to create a new superagent. You'll see a prompt box. Think of this as the instruction set for your assistant. A great starting prompt is monitor my inbox, draft replies to client emails, and use resend to send them. Keep it clear and outcome focused. The more precise the instruction, the better the automation behaves. If you're unsure about what to do next, ask the assistant right there in the interface. It's designed to guide you step by step. In this case, it will likely direct you to resend so you can generate an API key, which allows the superagent to send messages programmatically. Go to resend's homepage in a new tab, create a new key if you haven't already, and keep it private. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, and store it only in secure fields provided by the app. Return to Base44 and paste the key into the chat or credentials field when the assistant asks for it. If there's a designated secrets or credentials section, use that. It helps protect sensitive information. Once the key is accepted, the assistant will connect the dots, monitoring Gmail, drafting replies based on your prompt, and enabling resend to deliver them. At this point, the bot generates an automation tailored to your request. It typically includes a trigger that watches for new Gmail messages, logic to identify client emails, and an action that drafts responses. You can refine tone and content by updating your original prompt. For example, set a friendly but concise style, include a signature, or ask it to add placeholders where you want to review details. Before you enable full auto send, it's smart to run a test with a non-critical email, check the draft quality, and confirm messages are routed through resend correctly. Keep an eye on logs or activity panels so you can verify deliveries and make quick adjustments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.